Good afternoon, ma'am. Ako si Joseph Carlo Valencia. May examen number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Narito po ako ngayon para kumuha ng oral examination. At ito po ang aking examination permit. Maaari na ko na po bang ihanda ang mga gagamitin sa pagmamasahe?
Go ahead.
Thank you. Naiayos ko na po ang mga gagamitin sa pagmamasahe. Maaari ko na po bang papasukin ang kliyente? Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome sa aming spa. Ako si Joseph. Tanungin kung ano kailan pagbisita niyo sa amin.
Masakit po yung masakit po ang ako.
Check po natin. Kung may fracture, ma'am, wala naman po. Maaari niyo po bang pindapan yung light information? Susunod po natin, kukunin ko naman po yung mga vitals natin na. Ma'am, okay naman po yung BP. 120/80. Ganyan ko 36. Ma'am, ang BP niyo 120/80. Tapos, ang temperature niyo po ay 36. Normal naman po lahat. Maaari na po ba natin simulan ang ating pamamasahe? Draping, proper draping. Mag-alcohol before mag-start ng massage. Soft massage, Epilorage, wet massage, friction, appointment, and vibration. First stroke is Epilorage, which literally means long strokes. It can be done using palms, knuckle, fingertips, and forearms. The first variation of Epilorage is 100. Variation. There are 3 sub-variation. Circular, ironing, and raking. The first sub-variation is raking. 2 fingertips or 2 fingertips together or apart with pressure. Ironing, deep using palms, forearm or fist. Circular, palm gliding on skin and circular motion. Handed. Okay. Both hands gliding on skin simultaneously. The sub-variation is heart shape. Long deep stroke done by moving both hands in a heart shape motion. Circular. One hand over or beside the other in circular motion. Alternate hand. Raking. Same as one-handed raking, but using two hands alternatively. Circular. Finger-like finger tracing. Massage is pétrissage. Okay. Comes from the French word pétrir. It means to knead. The variation of pétrissage is one-handed. One-handed means simple clamp, squeeze. Praying hands. Finger interface punch, squeeze upward. Ocean waves. Gliding hands in opposite direction with compression. Hands. Grab and release alternately. Pulling palm or thumb pressures separately while moving forward. Skin rolling, lifting skin and superficial fascia. No downward force involved. The of massage is friction. From the Latin word pricker means to rub. The compression of tissue is in several directions. Sliding, palm, finger, knuckle, back and forth over the skin or deeper tissue layer, usually dry or without oil. The variation of friction is superficial warming. Heat wrap palms moving briskly in opposite direction. And the sub-variation is sewing. The second variation is rolling. Handy with open hands back and forth from distal to proximal. The third is ringing. Grasp firmly while twisting in opposite direction. Cross fiber. Deep transverse friction, finger movements perpendicular muscle fiber. The fifth is chucking. Same direction as muscle, tendons, and ligaments. Thumb or pressure back and forth. Circular. Small circular movement. Light superficial tissue over underlying tissues, fingers or palms. The fourth stroke of massage is tapotment. From the French word tapoter, which means tapoter is to tap or to drum on. Other term is percussion, repetitive, staccato, striking movement, or alternately using ulnar surface of hand, fingertips, open palm, top palm, or loosely closed fist. The first variation of appointment is tapping. Using fingertips of both hands at various speeds. The sub-variation of tapping is punctuation or heartbeat. Pulsing, alternate deep blood. The second variation of appointment is pinchment. Skin lifted grasping quickly at the point of striking. The third one is hacking. Chop using the ulnar edge at or both hands with fingers, relax or strike with at least 3 fingertips. Quarting. Quacking. Both hands. Hacking. And the fifth variation of appointment is cupping. Cupping hands loosen clenches cavity may induce cupping. Pounding is the sixth variation of appointment. To lose peace beating, moderately strength when applied, palm down natin. Clapping is the seventh variation of appointment. Palm striking skin without alternate stroke, not recommended for victims of abuse. And the eighth variation is diffuse. O, paharapin po natin ang cliente para po sa belly. The fifth stroke of massage is vibration. From the Latin word vibration, meaning shaking, other term is shaking. Okay. The first variation of vibration is fine. Fingertips trembling, non-skin, fingertips resting, and gliding along. The second variation is jostling. Rhythm and vigorously shaking back and forth. Ma'am, tapos na po ang ating pagmamasahe. Kaya nga po muna kayo saglit, babalikan ko po kayo. Ma'am, pwede maaari na po tayong tumayo. Alalayan ko po kayo. Kumusta na po yung pakaramdam ko compare kanina po? So, kung nililito pong massage from 1 to 10, how will you rate?
10.